Hello and welcome to your next car on the walk around video for the 2017 17 plate F33 330e eDrive. The vehicle is presented in black sapphire metallic, and alongside that does of course also feature a full your next car Mperformance body styling kit. We've added a set of the 19-inch 704M alloy wheels to the vehicle, and they have just been professionally refurbished in the original bi-colour. Alongside that, you'll see at the front we have got the LED headlamps on the vehicle. It's a very clean and tidy example of a very practical and very fun hybrid vehicle. Down the side you can see of course the satin side vinyls and gloss black sidebars, alongside of course the charging port, which below it of course has the M Sport logo. So this is of course where you'll gain access to plug the vehicle in, either using the regular 3-pin socket provided, or of course the optional BMW external charging cable. The vehicle does come with a full black Dakota leather. On a full charge, BMW claim an estimated range of around 27 to 30 miles of pure electric drive. On the petrol engine alone, the car produces just over 180 brake horsepower. However, combined, it will give you just shy of 250 brake horsepower. So from a hybrid, which is a great amount of power and torque, which is of course all delivered instantly, and you've still got a very spacious, very comfortable 3 Series BMW. You can see they're all very clean and tidy in the back. All of the alloys being professionally refurbished are all in great condition and are unmarked. Around at the rear, we've added and opted to go for the high gloss rear boot spoiler and matching rear diffuser. We still have a very spacious, very usable boot. Of course, bearing in mind we have got electric motors and batteries stored underneath the floor. This is of course the charging cable which will come equipped with the vehicle. This is the regular 3-pin socket. Moving round to the rear of the car, again, you can see that everything is very clean and tidy, and the black sapphire metallic really does work very well with all of the additions we've made. We'll hop on board and just talk yourself through a couple of this vehicle's features in a bit more detail, including some of the unique features for a eDrive over some of the other comparison plug-in hybrids on the market. Beginning with the eDrive switch down here, just behind the gear selector. So with this enabled, we can rifle through some of the selectable modes. Normally you'll just leave the vehicle in automatic. This is where the vehicle's computer can select whether it wants to run on the petrol, or of course a combined cycle, or of course just all on electric. We have got Max eDrive, which is again where it will run solely on electric until the electric has been used. There is then of course save mode. This is an ideal mode to just run on a petrol engine until you deem it is suitable for a time to run on pure electric. So a really nice amount of input to have there, and then of course this can be used in conjunction with your regular performance mode select. It does come with a 7-speed sports automatic gearbox. Normally this would be 8-speed, however 7-speed was selected for the 330e models. We've got BMW's business navigation and media screen, alongside a Bluetooth telephone and audio, DAB radio, as well as a wide array of multimedia inputs as well. The car has covered just over 61,000 miles, as you can see there, and hopefully throughout you've seen it's in superb condition. In terms of its service history, we shall go in and take a look at that now. It has got full BMW service history all the way up to 60,000 miles, which was its last visit to BMW. And there is a brief look around this wonderful F33 330e eDrive. If you do of course have any more questions, you can of course get in touch, which all of the relevant information will be left down below in the description. I will also leave a link for a more in-depth walk around that we have carried out here at Your Next Car on our other channel. So should you want to, you can of course check that out. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this walk around. I do hope you've enjoyed it and been able to find it useful. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.